To be honest, I saw a picture on this on Google and I pointed to it. So I don't even know what this is, but I know it got crawfish, shrimp, rice. Let's see. Wow. This is good. But I gotta say, man, the reviews is real, man. This is good, bro. This is good. Busting. The flavor just meshing it well, bro. It's an all great combination. 10 plus, 10 plus, 10 plus. And the shrimp tastes like fresh. It tastes fresh, man. Wow. Wow. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. And it's the crawfish. This is my first time ever having crawfish in life. Bruh. Might gotta come here again, bro. Before I leave, man. Everything is literally fresh, bro. The hype is definitely real, man. Man, that was lovely. The food was good. Taking this back to the hotel room.